Welcome back, Cannin users. Happy Sunday. I'm Steven, and you're tuned to Cannin.com for your technical and fundamental analysis. This week, we're diving into Tilray, one of the biggest, most popular vertically integrated cannabis companies in North America. Very famous for their wild ride after their IPO, way up to $300, and then way down since then. Pretty telltale 2019, and we're going to see if the promise of 2020 holds anything different for them. So let's jump over to the pricing chart now. You can see we're looking at TLRY. This is the NASDAQ listing here in the United States, and we're looking at a couple different indicators. I'm just going to close a couple so it's easier to see in building complexity. Here's our simple moving averages. Our 50, the short period, is in green. Our 100 period, the middle term period, is in blue. And the long term period is in orange here, the 200 period. You can see we're using the close on all of these. And let's just scroll back and see, first of all, wow. The trend since the end of 2018 has been down, 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 down. When the trend is down, there's still opportunities though. So what do we see with these simple moving averages? You can see right here, what we're going to look for are these crosses. And so here we see the middle period, the 100 crosses above the 50. That's going to be a signal that the stock is going to go down. Some of these are called iron crosses. On the alternative upswing, when the short-term period crosses above the long-term period, this is called a death cross when the longer-term period crosses above the shorter-term period, like we're seeing here. And look what happens. The stock was at $98, $99 here. Bam. We're now trading around $16. What if you would have capitalized on that? Simple analysis using the SMA. Let's bring the RSI, the strength index, back. Same time period. You can see exactly what you would expect. Middle trading and a lot of oversold as the stock is just being shorted during this downward trend. Last indicator, now that we have momentum in our simple moving averages, are our Bollinger Bands. And you can see exactly what you would expect. Downward trend, we're below the mean here. This purple is the mean. 2 standard deviations are the lines on our Bollinger Bands. And we're spending a lot of time below. Look at this, bouncing off of the lower Bollinger Band limit, which is what you would expect. I'm going to zoom way in here. And you can see some really nice examples of bouncing off this line. If it were to really cross this 2 standard deviation limit, that would be a buy signal. If it would cross the above 2 standard deviation limit, that would be a sell signal. And what we're seeing, typically you'll see bounces if you don't see these crosses. And here's a perfect example. Just in December of 2019, as we finished the year, it bounced from 16.33, then came back up to $17. So nice little trigger there. I want you to focus back in on the SMAs. We see our 100 period. It was pretty far away from the green line here towards the end of 2019, $20 or so. And now you can see 1990 and 23. It's starting to close. So if we keep our eye on this stock and we see this short-term moving average, this green line, the 50 period cross above, that's an iron cross, and we're going to see if 2020 we can get a little buying opportunity here in this stock. Keep the momentum indicators aligned with that. Since it's such easy analysis, you want to bring a couple other indicators in. But using Bollinger Bands, an easy analysis of SMAs with a momentum indicator is going to be such a foolproof way to see if 2020 is more promising than 2019. So Tilray's decline continues. Does it hold promise in 2020? Make sure and read the fundamental. It looks like it may be lining up for something in the coming month. But happy learning on the technical analysis. Happy trading on the fundamental. And let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you so much.